And Prime Minister Narendra Modi says that India is actively working on developing its own space station. This as he listed out the country's recent achievement and self-reliance in the space sector in his Independence Day speech. The Indian Prime Minister said the country is preparing for Gaganyaan, India's flagship human spaceflight program, as Atmanirbhar Bharat. He also congratulated Indian Air Force Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla on his historic mission to the International Space Station. In June this year, Shukla became the first Indian astronaut to visit the ISS and only the second Indian to travel to space.
स्पेस सेक्टर का कमाल तो हर देशवासी देख रहा, गर्व से भर जा रहा। और हमारे ग्रुप कैप्टन शुभांशु शुक्ला स्पेस स्टेशन से लौट चुके हैं और आने वाले कुछ दिनों में वो भारत भी आ रहे हैं।
Also, Prime Minister Modi said that reforms brought in recent times have enabled over 300 startups which are working in the space sector.
अपने बलबूते पर हमारा अपना स्पेस स्टेशन बनाने की दिशा में हम काम कर रहे हैं और पिछले दिनों स्पेस में जो रिफॉर्म किए गए, मुझे बहुत गर्व हो रहा है। मेरे देश के 300 से ज्यादा स्टार्टअप्स आप सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्पेस सेक्टर में काम कर रहे हैं।
And the United States has extended wishes to India on its 79th Independence Day, saying that this historic ties between Washington and New Delhi are consequential and far-reaching. Now, in a statement, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio stressed that America shares a vision for a more peaceful, prosperous and secure Indo-Pacific region with India, and said that the ties between the two nations will rise to modern challenges and ensure a brighter future for both the countries. The ties between India and the US have been tense since US President Donald Trump raised tariffs on Indian goods to 50% last week from an earlier 25%, saying it was a penalty for India's continued imports of Russian oil. Now, India has called the US targeting of India over Russian oil imports unfair, unjustified and unreasonable.